Now the question is asking if this point is on the graph of this function. Is this point is on the graph of this function, yes or no? Let us imagine how does it look like this graph. Maybe it looks like this. I don't care how does it look like. But I'm asking, is this point minus 2 and 0, which is almost here, minus 2 and 0, is this part of this graph? Which means, is it one of the solutions of this equation or not? Does it satisfy that equation or not? What does it mean? Again, that also means that if x is 0, sorry, x is not here. Where is x?
Minus 2.
Yeah, minus 2. If x is minus 2, is it going to be the y 0? And that's something we have to check. We can check, right? Just put x here. Just put x here 0 and see if the y, remember this is the y, right?
Yeah.
This is the y. And then check if the y is 0 or not. So this is something we can do. So let's do that. Just put minus 2 here for the x. Square it, minus 4 divided by minus 2 minus 3. Okay, and see what will be the result. You know, suppose this is y now. You're trying to calculate it and find out if it is 0 or not. And then, in this case, minus 2 when you square it becomes 4. So 4 minus 4 is obviously 0. That's why you're going to get 0 here. 0 over minus 5 is, of course, 0. So yes, y is 0. So the answer will be yes. Yes. This point is actually on the graph of this you know, function of this equation. Clear what we have to do? That's it. It's just giving you a graph, giving you a function by its equation. Okay, and I'm asking if this point satisfying this function, instead of saying it's satisfying the function or part of the solution, I'm saying it in another way. I'm saying, is it on the graph? What does it mean on the graph? Now the graph has all the solutions. What is this graph? It has all the possible solutions. Remember, that's what the graph is, all the solutions. So it's just another way of saying, is it a solution or not? So to check if it is a solution or not, you just substitute x equal this and calculate y and see if the y will be 0 or not. If it is 0, then yes, it's a solution, and yes, it is on the graph.